So after almost a year away from YouTube, we're back here in Tokyo Auto Salon 2025. Now a huge shout out to AME for giving us the tickets so we can enter on the media day where there's still few people. Now AME is a Japanese company that makes wheels, so if you want to know more about them, visit the website. So let's get down to the first GR86. Now this is Raytech, a company that makes their own body kits. Now this is the first time we're seeing this kit. So this kit is currently made FRP and they wrap the splitters with a carbon fiber wrap. But they said in the future for production, they would make this available in carbon fiber. It has this white T37's 18-inch 10J44 wrapped in Yokohama Advan A052 and 265/35/18. We can see these replaceable side skirts that has a pretty well body lines coming from the front fenders. Also, it has a cool brake kit from D2 Japan, front having 6 pod and the rears 4 pods. And now you can already see the actuated spoiler on the back, but we'll talk about that later. Now taking a look at the back, we see some clear tail lights and fog lamps from Crystal Eye. Also has a titanium Grady exhaust, and we see that the bumper splitters also has some carbon fiber wrap. And to talk about the wing, we see that this has the actuated trunk spoiler combined with the GT wing from Takumi project. Now this is Raytech's original actuated trunk spoiler, and it is actually together with the whole trunk. Now they do have many future plans for it, like sold separately and also make it available in FRP. Now they also said that they can put some relays to it so they can be adjustable in certain angles and can be activated in certain speed. So their planned SRP on this will be 450,000 yen, or in today's exchange rate would be $2,800 US. Now next up in Result Japan's booth, we have the Repair Create Result Japan GR86. Now this is their wide body version, and we've seen white version of this last year. For this year, they brought in the D1 spec GR86 wide body. So we see a white Work ZR7 18-inch wrapped in Shiba tires with Project New big brake kit. You can see that the rear bumper is a little modified for the D1 Grand Prix, and we can also see that it is equipped with the big wing from the Result Japan. And for the Toyota Gazoo Racing booth, we didn't see any GR86 demo car in place, but we did see some parts that are coming up. These will be suspension parts, axles, new transmission, and some final gears as well. But this front pillar aero fin is the most interesting one. It's still a concept part, so this part will actually help smoothen the airflow and avoid some turbulent air causing from the pillar. And another familiar car would be the Valenti GR86. It's the wide body Liberty Walk, and it has the headlights from Valenti, side mirrors, rear tails, and rear fog lamps. And on the Works Bell booth, we still see the SSTS kit for the GR86 and BRZ. So there's nothing new about it. It's been out since the first generation 86 and BRZ. Now up next is a GR86 Prom Rev Speed wrapped in Grow aerodynamics from front, side, and the rear, and it's also equipped with some 9mm wide fender front and rear. Now we see some Advan RGs wrapped in AD09s. So this next one might be familiar for you guys. It's the 13B rotary engine swap that was last year, but it had a different aero kit. Back then it had the Voltex wide body, and this year they replaced it with the Silk Blaze wide body kit. Now for the Inks boot, we will see the GR86 and Spec R AERO kit. We saw this last year and it's actually nothing new, still looking good. They have the T37, 18 and 9.5 shake and 43 offset. Now for this year, we'll also see the GT86 and Spec AERO kit. It is also in T37s, but this one is on 1810J. shotgun is also here with their GR86. We already seen this last year, and you can check out my previous videos so you can have a better look on their carbon fiber accents for their TRD kit. Now another Now another familiar car would be Rohan Izawa Art Designs GR86 in the wide body HKS Type S kit. Now this was in purple last year, and now it is repainted to the Revel line work deep blue with the grinder tattoo on the bonnet. As you can see, the Brembo caliper is still on color purple. Nice work in motion T7Rs 1811J 29530 in 18s. And last, and for DEFI celebrating their 30th anniversary, they have their BRZ STI. So it is equipped with full STI AERO kit, also some Valenti headlights and taillights. With this side marker, I'm not actually familiar with. If you are familiar, let me know in the comments. Cool looking Brembo brake from the factory, RMP wheels with some STI performance exhaust and the STI swan neck wing.